Hey everyone, if you're looking to get a credit card with Ulster Bank, then you're in luck because in this video we're going to walk you through exactly how to do that. So first, simply head over to the official Ulster Bank website. Then from here, simply go to the products, then credit cards. Then simply navigate to see our credit cards. And you'll then be able to see all their options. So cards for balance transfers, low rates, travel and more. So simply pick the one that fits your needs. Next, you then have to click check eligibility and apply. So don't worry, this won't affect your credit score in any way. So this page literally gives you full insight into the card, including fees, rates and benefits. So before you apply, simply make sure you meet all the requirements. So you need to be at least 18 or older, live in the UK, earn at least £10,000 per year, and you also have to make sure you haven't been bankrupt in the last 6 years. So if you have a joint account, both account holders need to meet these rules as well. So it's also going to ask whether you're an existing customer or if you're a new one. So I'm going to select new one and it's then going to take me to the next page. So this is then going to be the part where you need to fill in your personal information. So things like your name, address, date of birth and employment information. And once that's done, you can then choose your preferred credit limit. So Ulster Bank will then review your application and let you know what they can offer. And after that, you then have to click apply now. And if you're approved, your card will then be on its way. So from there, you will then be able to manage everything in their app, track spending, set up automatic payments, and stay on top of your account. And that's pretty much it, guys. So it's a really straightforward process if you know exactly where to go. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.